friends, today I, Preet Kamal, is going to talk about coronavirus. So first of all, we'll talk about the symptoms. The symptoms of coronavirus are high fever, cough, sore throat, headache. If you are facing these symptoms, kindly contact a doctor and follow the Arogya Setu app. Now we'll talk about the preventions of coronavirus. So the preventions are wash your hands and sanitize it, wear a mask, avoid public meeting or crowd, maintain safe distance, follow the instructions of your local health authority, contact a doctor if you are not feeling well and if you are facing these symptoms. So now stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Harshita Chadha from the NSS unit of GGDSD College. As we all know that the COVID-19 outbreak is still on and there is only one way to curb the spread of this deadly virus, is that we need to take the preventive action and we need to cooperate with the society. The Government of India is also helping its citizen in preventing this particular disease, as it has launched an app named Arogya Setu app, which can easily be downloaded from the Google Play Store. When you log in into that particular app, you need to give your personal information along with your medical records or any pre-medical history which you have, or any other symptoms which you are experiencing of COVID-19, which you need to answer it very accurately and with full honesty, so that the information can be proved beneficial to the society and curbing the spread of this deadly disease. Now, there is no fear you need to keep in your mind that your information might be leaked or maybe used in a particular illegal manner, because your information is stored in an encrypted form and all the necessary notifications which you get is through the ID which you get in the starting. Also, your location based information is just stored for the last 14 days and after it is removed from the server. And if you go to an infected area or there is a risk that you might have met with an infected person who had downloaded the app in their phone, so you will get a notification. There is no need to worry. If you feel any symptom or you get a notification that you are at a high risk and you are experiencing any symptom of the same, you need to go to the nearest hospital and you will get a proper treatment done of the same. There is no need to worry about it. Also, your information is safe in the government hand, so there is no chance of any privacy issue which you might face. So I would request you all to download this particular app and cooperate with the Government of India so that we can control the spread of this virus and come out of this lockdown phase as well. Thank you.